Good morning, students. Today we are going to discussing about some problems based on centroid, circumcenter, orthocenter and incenter. So all of you know about centroid, circumcenter, orthocenter and incenter. So just I remind you that what is centroid? The point of concurrence of medians is called centroid. What is circumcenter? The point of concurrence of perpendicular bisectors. You know what is perpendicular bisectors? That means perpendicular bisector means that is passing through midpoints of the sides and perpendicular to the sides. So the point of concurrence of such three lines is called circumcenter. What is orthocenter? So the point of concurrence of altitudes. Altitude means that is passing through vertex and perpendicular to opposite sides. So we have three altitudes. The point of concurrence of those three altitudes in a triangle is called orthocenter. And incenter. What is incenter? The point of concurrence of angular bisectors. So we have three angular bisectors. Okay. So those are three point of concurrence of those three angular bisectors is called incenter. Okay. And in center we have one more thing, and for circumcenter, for suppose, so this is the triangle. So the point of concurrence of perpendicular bisectors means passing through midpoint and perpendicular to the side. So passing through the midpoint, perpendicular to the side, passing through the mid. So these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal. So this is called the circumcenter, generally denoted with S. In the same way, the circumcircle of the triangle. This is circumcircle of this triangle. The center of the circumcircle is called the circumcenter. So both are same. So whenever if it is a circumcenter, so then this circumcenter is equidistant to the vertices of the triangle. It is generally denoted with capital R. Okay, and about incenter, same. This is the triangle. Okay, so what is incenter? Angular bisectors. These three angular bisectors are concurrent. The point of this concurrence is called incenter. In general, incircle, that means it touches the three sides of the triangle. This incenter is this is perpendicular where it touches the sides of the triangle. Okay, so these distances are equal. So r smaller, it is generally denoted with smaller. So this is the concept of incircle and incenter, circumcircle and circumcenter. Okay, this circumcenter, this is incenter. Okay, because of it is incenter, it is the circle. So this is the radius. So radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So this side is nothing but tangents of this circle. So this is equidistant. Incenter is equidistant to the sides of the triangle. Okay, this is the basic concepts about centroid, circumcenter, orthocenter and incenter. Already I explained in coordinate system, but once I remind you all these concepts. So based on this, if you go for some problems, the algebraic sum of the perpendicular distances from the vertices of a triangle to a variable line is O, then the line passes through the dash of the triangle. See here, this is the level 1 classwork question, 38th problem. The algebraic sum of the perpendicular distances from the vertices of a triangle to a variable line is 0. Then the line passes through dash of the triangle. Here they may give the options centroid, circumcenter, or the center in center. Four options they may give. So what is the, so this line is passes through which one we are going to discussing. Let us consider that variable line you take as some ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and the points of the vertices of the triangle you take as x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. What is the condition they given? The algebraic sum of the, that means algebraic sum means summation only, sum of the perpendicular distances. That means if you take any line, okay, so the perpendicular distances, for suppose this is the line you take, the perpendicular distance from this okay, so sum of this distance plus this distance plus this distance is equal to 0 they given. Then find the, then this line is passing through which one he is asking. Okay, see here, see here, let us consider the line be some ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The sum of the perpendicular distance from vertices to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is 0 they given. So go for perpendicular distance formula. What is perpendicular distance? The perpendicular distance from x1 y1 to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is nothing but ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square, plus second one from x2 comma y2, so ax2 plus by2 plus c by root over a square plus b square. From x3 comma y3 to this line, ax3 plus by3 plus c by root over a square plus b square. These are the sum of the distances is equal to 0 they given. So take a root over a square plus b square is LCM. Then all denominators are equal, just to add numerator and denominator transpose to right side, that gives 0 only, 0 into anything is 0. So we have ax1 plus by1 plus c plus ax2 plus by2 plus c plus ax3 plus by3 plus c is equal to 0. So if you take a common, x1 plus x2 plus x3, if you take b common, y1 plus y2 plus y3, and we have 3 c's are there, so plus 3 is equal to 0. So this entire equation if you divide with 3, because of x1 plus x2 plus x3, y1 plus y2 plus y3, we have in the formula one formula that is in the centroid, but centroid is in the form of x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So just you divide with the 3 entire equation, so we get that form a into x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 plus b into y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 plus c is equal to 0. Okay, since centroid of triangle is same, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. It shows it is nothing but it is like that. This ax plus by plus c is passing through x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Because of this centroid, if you substitute here, so that form is nothing but this one. So what can you understand? So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 passes through centroid of triangle ABC. So from this onwards, we just remember the algebraic sum of the perpendicular distances from the vertices of a triangle to a variable line is 0. Then that line obviously passing through the centroid of the triangle. Next, 39th question. A1 comma minus 1, B4 comma minus 1, C4 comma 3 are the vertices of a triangle. Then the equation of the altitudes through the vertex A is. See here, he is asking, they given 3 points of the 3 vertices of the triangle and the equation of the altitude through the vertex A. So altitude through the vertex A means, so from A, so if you drop a perpendicular, he is asking to, altitude is nothing but a perpendicular only, so he is asking to finding this line equation. For this line equation, you just understand this line is perpendicular to BC. Okay, if for suppose slope of BC is m, then slope of AD is minus 1 by m. Very clear. Okay, so now equation of, to get the equation of AD, what it says, equation of AD, it is passing through A and perpendicular to, so equation of to get equation of AD, slope of BC is undefined, means slope of AD is 0, that is reciprocal, because of it is 3 minus of minus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 by 0. 4 by 0 actually for the slope is m, so m is equal to 4 by 0, then minus 1 by m is equal to minus 0 by 4. So 0 by anything is 0 only, so minus 0 is 0 only. So equation of AD is, because it is passing through a 1 comma minus 1, so y minus y1 minus of minus 1, that is y minus of minus 1 is equal to 0 into x minus 1. Okay, 0 into x minus 1. So 0 into anything is 0, so we have y plus 1 is equal to 0. So y plus 1 is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 1 is the answer for this question. Next concept, next question. The equations of the sides of a triangle are x minus 3y is equal to 0, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5, 3x plus y is equal to 0. The line 3x minus 4y is equal to 0 passes through in center, centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter. See very clearly the given equations once you observe. This is x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is 3x plus y is equal to 0. Once you go for the slopes of these two lines, x minus 3y slope is, here I am explaining, minus 1 by minus 3, that means 1 by 3 into slope of 3x plus y is nothing but minus 3 by 1, that is minus 3. So total 3 get cancelled, this is equal to minus 1. That means these two lines are perpendicular. Once you observe the very clearly given equations, if these two lines are perpendicular, means this triangle is a right angle triangle. Very clear. This triangle is a right angle triangle, and the third one is 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. So this is some x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is 3x plus y is equal to 0. It is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, orthocenter, okay, orthocenter coincident to right angled vertex, and here only I am explaining, circumcenter is midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay, but it is a right angle triangle, so they given the line 3x minus 4y is equal to 0 passes through. Once you remember, always the line equation which doesn't have constant term, that means if it is in the form of ax plus by plus c, c is the constant. If it is only some in the form of some ax plus by is equal to 0, that is always passing through origin. That means here x minus 3y is equal to 0 passing through origin, 3x plus y also is equal to 0 also passing through origin. This is not passing through origin. So here one more line 3x minus 4y is equal to 0. So this is also passing through origin. So the point of intersection of these two lines is nothing but orthocenter. Okay, the point of intersection of these two lines is nothing but orthocenter. Where these two meet? Only at origin, because of these two lines passing through origin. So these two meet at origin. So this is origin. This is nothing but orthocenter. So this is also passing through orthocenter. Okay, this is also passing through origin. So it is also passing through orthocenter. So 3x minus 4y is equal to 0 passes through origin. That is nothing but, in this problem, that origin is nothing but orthocenter. So third option. So conceptual question. Next question. Equation of a diameter of the circumcircle of the triangle formed by the lines 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0, 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0, and 8x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0. So they given three sides of the triangle. So those three sides lie on the given three line equations. Okay, so I just written like this: 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0, 8x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y plus y 5 is equal to 0. Here very clear observation. Here 3x plus 4y minus 7, 8x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here slope of this line is nothing but what is that? Minus 3 by 4. into slope of this one is nothing but minus 8 minus 6, that is minus 8 by minus 6 means only 8 by 6. So here 4 2 times going, here 3 2s are 6 cancel, so totally we have minus 1. That means these two lines are perpendicular. Okay, 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0, 8x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0. These two are perpendicular. If you draw a circumcircle, he is asking to finding the diameter of the circumcircle. So once you remember, if in the right angle triangle, okay, diameter is nothing but hypotenuse. Diameter of the circle is nothing but hypotenuse only. Okay, in a right angle triangle. Very clear. So angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees in 10th class concept. That means angle in semicircle is 90 degrees means this is the half circle. Okay, this is one more half circle, but the drawing is different. So I took this is more part, this is small part, but both are equal parts. Just imagine. Okay, so that means what can you say? So it is a right angle triangle means hypotenuse is nothing but a diameter of that circumcircle. So here diameter is lies on the line, third line, that is 3x minus y plus y is equal to 0. So the equation of diameter of circumcircle of triangle formed by given three lines is nothing but here 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so are perpendicular lines, product of their slopes is equal to minus 1, because so equation of diameter of circle is nothing but 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is also conceptual question.